What's going on, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot, and I was gonna show everybody what's going on with the second Henry J and how far we are and what the interior looks like before we go ahead and put the windows in the body and the interior tub in the body itself too. So this is where I'm at. So I'm almost complete with the interior. It's got racing seat belts in it. It's got little switches on the dash, you know, for like the fans and everything. I don't know if you can see them, but can you see it? There they are. So I've done that. I put a resin shifter in here, and that's from Bolide Plastic Motorworks, actually. Very nice shifters. Seat belts in the back. I went ahead and did the rubber on the bottom like it's got rubber pads on there, and I went and built the rest of the roll cage. And I left it about like this. I made my own pads. Put a tack in there. Some more gauges over there. It's still just aluminum on the bottom right now. And the firewall is painted to match the body. So I two-toned the seats in here. And I ran a shift cable like it's going in, you know, to the transmission linkage. So that's the interior pretty much in a nutshell. So with the interior there, as you can see, I'm doing red accents on this one. So I get the red roll cage. It's gonna have red tinted windows, a red frame, red traction bar, stuff like that. A little fast on you guys, sorry guys. I did paint this. I used Tamiya red, and I clear coated it with 2K clear, so it has that nice bright vibrant clear. I also have the motor built to about this much, so I don't want to touch it too much because it's got L-clad and stuff on there, and all the little detail stuff I usually do when it's in there. So it's coming along quite nicely. As you guys know, the other one's finished and it's over there. So I do have my USAC build, our group build that we are doing, and I restripped it, and I'm getting ready to redo a bunch of stuff to it again. And this time I'll shoot it with scale finishes because Jamestown gave me a bottle. He sent me a nice little package with the Plum Crazy purple that I wanted for this particular car. And I think we're gonna go with something like this for wheels on there. These came out of like a wheel kit, and then I'm using some other wheels off the heavy Chevy Chevelle, and it seems to fit the wheel well pretty nice. Here's the fronts. I wanted Kragers on here, so Matt, my buddy, had sent me this from Lucas C products, Lucas C resins. I'm going to show you something for the 70 Camaro. Really clean. You know, when you go buy hoods, this is probably one of the cleanest hoods out there, guys. I mean, look at that. That's for the 70 Camaro. It needs a little bit of work, but all resin does, and it's nice. You don't see no big air pockets in there like certain people that make these on eBay. Quick sand, but this is how like a lot of these fiberglass hoods look anyway. So they pretty much already look like this, and this thing will just drop in there. It'll just sit right in there. A little bit of sanding. And this was one of the quick ones he just busted out because I asked him to make me one. So this is one of his quick jobs, man. So he does really good work. So he did make me some wheels and stuff. Made me some wheels, or some tires rather. Lucas C is a really, really good friend of mine. So he's in my modeling club, and he does great work. So if you guys want to check his product out, check him out through Andy's Hobby headquarters online. You can order all of his stuff on there. He'll be putting these hoods up. I don't really know how much they are, so you might want to reach out to him, contact him. They're way better than the hoods that come with the 70 Camaros. So check them out, and it'll save you a lot of work just buying one of those, prepping it and putting it on, because the other ones, they're so thin. Half the time they don't even fit right, and they're kind of garbage on that one. But he makes a really nice replacement hood. So he's got a lot of neat stuff coming out in the near future. So I wanted to do a quick product review. Something I picked up, I seen online, and I said, oh, here's the body, in case you guys didn't see that. That's the body for the other Henry J. Anyway, so I needed a new pair of magnifiers, and I seen these, and I bought them, man. They work really good. Comes with a LED light, 2 settings, rechargeable, plugs into your regular USB charger. Another magnifier here, which I didn't even notice that, which is pretty darn cool. And this right here is a 3.5 because my eyes are kind of shot because I've been welding for many years. So I'm using, also it's got like 2 little ports for them. You can put 2 different ones up, flip one down. It comes with a bunch of lenses, as you can see, which is really, really neat. So, and you can see it comes with 3.5 power, 2.5, 2, 1.5, and 1. So a nice little box it came in. I'm digging it. So I started using it today, and man, it's making things so much easier. I was putting them seat belts together, and I feel like I'm 20 again, guys. I got my eyes back, but we really know that's not true. So I like looking at this thing. Thanks, Marty. That thing's awesome. I'm gonna keep it there. So I did buy a couple new models. Me and some buddies got together over at Andy's this last weekend, and I bought this kit right here. This is the new kit. It's the BMW M3 E30. Let's see if you can see it in there. We'll do a kit review or something. I just wanted to let you guys know that, yeah, I'm still picking up kits, even though I probably shouldn't. But a lot of these kits, they're only out for a little while, and then the price goes skyrocketing. So I buy them while I can, and I have them in my stash, and I can build them. But these new kits are really cool. I also bought this over at Andy's the week before. It's another new kit, and this is the Porsche 935 K3. I like the color scheme on this. I thought it was pretty cool, little slant nose. I thought that'd be kind of neat to build. So, but yeah, that's wicked bad. So I'm gonna have fun building this. I need to get after this, like something like this. But I already know I'm gonna do that Toyota Minolta car. It's still sitting up there, getting ready to do. Also, I bought this kit, and I've never built one. I just thought it was awesome. This BMW 500cc. It's with the sidecar. It's pretty cool, a little racer. And I can't wait to do something like this, man. And now I can go up against John Teresi, my buddy, man. So yeah, you should see his Porsche killer, man. It's pretty cool. You guys will see it in Utah, so look out for that. That's John's. So yeah, this would be something I wish I could have finished and went up against him. But well, I got other things on the back burner here, so I got to get ready for that show. So I might have to put this USAC build on the back burner for a little while. So I hope you guys understand, because Utah, the Salt Lake City show is a big deal. So I actually want to try to place over there. That's kind of my goal, is just to place at least once, you know. So with that being said, I'm surprised you guys put up with my crap for the last 10 minutes. I don't know why you watch this crap. You guys are crazy. But you did. And if you made it this far, you choked down the whole video. So I appreciate it. And I'm sorry for the belated video. It's been a little while because my grandson's been in here playing video games and stuff. So it's hard to shoot a video, but I'm going to try to get more consistent about it. So with that being said, I hope you guys like the stash ads and the update on the Henry J. It should be done within a week. I think I can get it done in a week because the biggest parts of it are already done. So I might get the body work done on the Roadrunner, and then we'll see what other trouble we can get into. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Give me a kick in the rear. I don't know. Do whatever you guys like. Talk to you guys later. Probably do a video later. Bye.